Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk EGR valve used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. Take off the engine cover. There are a multitude of symptoms linked to an EGR breakdown: loss of power, injection issues, appearance of warning lights. To access the EGR valve, you have to remove the airbox. To do this, insert a screwdriver into the notch located on the front of the air bow, then shift the air inlet conduit. Disconnect the two electric connectors. Take a flathead screwdriver and unscrew the clamping clips on the air inlet conduit on the turbo. Then shift the airbox. You can now see the EGR valve. Using a thin flathead screwdriver, insert it into the hollow space under the connector. Create pressure by turning the screwdriver upwards and pushing down simultaneously, while with the other hand, pull on the connector to remove it. Using a socket wrench and a 10mm socket, unscrew the two lock nuts on the EGR valve. Then, using an extender and a 10mm socket, unscrew the screws located on the valve. Remove the heat protection located under the valve. On this vehicle, the EGR valve frequently breaks during disassembly. You can remove the part that has been left in the engine using a flathead screwdriver and a hammer. Remove the metal seal on the valve.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
Take hold of your new EGR valve and compare it with the old one to ensure that they're both identical. Put the seal back in place. Slide the valve back into position, then screw the two lug nuts and the screw back in. Reconnect the electric connector. Put the airbox back in place, paying attention to put the spur properly in place, then push down to lock it in place. Place the air inlet conduit back. Reconnect the electric connectors. Reconnect the air inlet conduit. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.